AI is rapidly reshaping the job landscape, instigating a mix of excitement and concern among workers. As robots and algorithms advance, many traditional jobs find themselves at risk, leading to questions about the future of work. While some roles are phased out, the transformation prompts a necessity to rethink how we engage with technology in our careers. The first point of concern centers around jobs that AI is transitioning into its domain, signaling a shift marked by efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Industries such as customer support witness the rise of chatbots handling inquiries with instant precision, while manufacturing sectors relish the enhanced productivity brought about by robotic assembly lines. Banking and finance are not immune either. Artificial intelligence offers rapid solutions for fraud detection and loan approvals, streamlining processes that once required human intervention. Even in the realm of creativity, AI is breaking ground, generating impressive art, music, and literature. These shifts spark a palpable anxiety among many whose roles hinge on these functions, pushing them to question their job security in a world increasingly dominated by machines. However, it's crucial to recognize that not all jobs are ripe for replacement by AI. Some vocations demand a human touch, creativity, empathy, and nuanced decision-making remain realms where humans excel. Artists and writers harness their individuality and expressiveness, elements that AI struggles to replicate fully. In healthcare, the role of compassionate professionals like doctors and therapists is irreplaceable. They build trust and support, requiring extensive human experience. Skilled trades, too, showcase attributes that machines can't easily mimic hands-on. Troubleshooting and practical problem-solving are pivotal. Educators and leaders inspire change and foster growth, emphasizing the importance of human interaction and mentorship. Even as educational technologies evolve, the dynamic between humans and AI can, and should, be synergistic rather than adversarial. As we journey towards a future increasingly integrated with AI, the essential strategy is to adapt and continually develop skills that complement the rise of technology. Upskilling in AI knowledge can render professionals far more effective and innovative within their fields. Embracing creativity is significant. Whereas AI lacks the authentic emotional depth humans bring to art and innovation, concurrently honing soft skills, leadership, empathy, and communication will distinguish individuals in the job market, assuring them of their irreplaceability. The spotlight shines on innovation, where those adept at collaborating with AI will find themselves leading the charge into a new era of work, creating a blended environment where humanity and technology thrive together. Rather than fearing job displacement, the focus should be on evolving along with AI to shape the future of work positively. Thank you for tuning in to Infinity Junction. Your journey into the world of technology doesn't end here. If you found value in our exploration of futuristic innovations, support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Every click helps spread the wonder of technology. We can't wait to bring you more thrilling content. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your mind open to the future.